We guide you through how to find hidden lock chats on WhatsApp. So the first thing you need to do is to open your app, tapping the search bar, then type in the name of the contact or keyword from the conversation to see if any chats appear with the lock icon. Next, navigate to archive section at the bottom of your chat list because sometimes locked chats are auto archive. Then look for the padlock icon next to chats, which indicates they are protected by your screen lock. To unlock, simply tap the chat and authenticate using your fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN, depending on your device settings. If you don't see the chat in archive, check your chat backup in WhatsApp settings under chats, then chat backup and restore the most recent version that might contain the hidden conversation. Remember that hidden chats remain locked and private, so any new messages will not show previews until unlocked. And finally, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version to access all privacy feature. And now, you can access your hidden lock chat safely and manage them the way you want.